Networking tips for PMP professionals. We will discuss effective networking strategies specifically tailored for PMP professionals, including tips, events, groups, and online platforms to help you build and maintain a strong professional network. PMP networking strategies. Utilize professional networking platforms. Use online platforms such as LinkedIn to showcase your skills, connect with industry leaders, and stay updated on industry trends. Join PMP networking groups. Connect with like-minded individuals in PMP-specific networking groups to share knowledge, experiences, and job opportunities. Effective networking for PMP professionals. One key tip for effective networking is to focus on building genuine relationships rather than just collecting business cards. By getting to know people on a personal level, you can establish trust and long-lasting connections that can benefit your career in the long run. PMP networking skills. Communication. Develop strong communication skills to effectively convey your ideas, listen actively, and build rapport with others. Relationship building. Invest time in nurturing professional relationships by staying in touch, offering help, and showing genuine interest in others' success. PMP networking tips and tricks. Be authentic. Be yourself, be authentic, and let your personality shine through in networking interactions to form genuine connections. Follow up. Don't forget to follow up with contacts after networking events, meetings, or introductions to thank them, stay connected, and explore potential collaborations. Conclusion. In conclusion, networking is a valuable tool for PMP professionals to advance their careers, expand their connections, and open up new opportunities in the industry.